Hello everyone, good day. One thing about trading the forex market is to be informed. You want to be informed technically, you want to be informed fundamentally. My name is Amareji, I'm a forex trader. I trade smart money concept strategy. This has really helped me over the years to make a lot of money, and of course this has really helped me to manage my risk. You risk small and you make a lot of money. Now today, you guys probably watch a lot of my YouTube videos out there, and you probably see how I talk about supply and demand and a lot of that. So today I'm going to be spicing the supply and demand, how you can the modest way of catching your supply and demand. With this new style, you have self-confidence and you have good confirmation before knowing when to buy or knowing when to sell. If you check my Telegram channel now, you notice that I've been dropping some core information about the technical analysis, especially more on gold. So before you see me come into the market, I want to see these things happening. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys today on my YouTube channel. So right here on gold, so this is gold going bullish. We really caught the buy on the Sniper Kings. You can see that up there, how we caught the buy and really went smoothly, hit our TP and all of that. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how those buy was caught. So moving on, first of all, we all know gold is bullish. Already we know gold is a bullish trend. So if you notice this trade you're seeing right here, that you see gold spiked down, still went back to our SL, this is the confirmation that I like to see most of the time before trading gold. I really been trading gold for some time now, because gold move really pretty well, move fast, and easily just catch your pips and all on out of the market. And of course gold is volatile. So now right here I'm going to be showing you guys. Walk here with me, guys. So now today, this is going to be a real game changer for everybody. Yeah, it's going to be a game changer. This has really been helpful. Now I believe most of you already understand what BOS is, change of character in the forex market. If you don't know what BOS or change of character is, go watch my previous video. I already talk about change of character and break of structure, all of that. You should understand that before watching this video, right? So when you understand break of structure and BOS, they are inner trend that you need to understand about. They are inner change of character, inner BOS. They are major in change of character, major BOS in the forex market. Yeah. So whenever you're trading, currently right now, gold is bullish. Gold has been bullish for a long time now. Gold has really been bullish for a year plus now, if I'm not mistaken. You can go check the trend. So whatever you're doing on gold, you should be buying. Don't sell gold, buy gold. If you're selling gold, you're only probably catching the retracement. Most of the time gold is buying. It's all bullish. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you more confirmations and how you can catch that buy. You can easily make a lot of money with this. Trust me guys, the risk is very low. This analysis, this technical analysis, this strategy works 80%. This has helped me pass my profit account this week, and everybody is cashing out real time. Yeah, so work here with me guys. Now looking at the chart right now, like I said, understand market structure, understand BOS and market change of character. I already know that. I'm going to use it as a sample. If not that the fundamental analysis came up, gold has to take out this old low, this old liquidity, and of course you need to also know liquidity in the market. If you don't know what liquidity is, go check out my previous video. I've talked about liquidity. You need to be informed about liquidity in the market when you're looking at the chart. You need to know gold is very common of taking out liquidity. That's nothing about gold. So when gold has taken out this old liquidity and finally retrace back to the upside, but here's the teaching. Forget about gold taking out the old lows. Here is what you want to pay attention with. Now I saw price. So one thing about me trading gold, most times once I'm awake, I always like spotting out my eyes and my lows. Guys, if you're new with your pen, you can pause this video now, go get your pen and jot out what I'll be explaining to you guys, because this is going to be the end and the game changer if you are lovers of gold. So of course, all my lovers of gold traders, this video is meant for you. You should be watching this video right now. So moving on guys, moving on. I saw gold, I saw the high, I saw the low. You can see me marking out this high right here, marking out this low. That is my Asia low and my Asia high. So whenever I'm trading gold, I always spot out the high, either the Asia section, the London section, and the New York section. These informations are the key. You probably be hearing highs and lows. These things are very, very important when trading the market. Always spot out your highs and lows. This way you can be able to predict the movement. It helps, guys, trust me, it helps. Now with this, you will begin to have more clarity. It's as if you already know. Just say you know that it's buying here, it's selling here. If it's not reacting according to our analysis, it's probably fundamental analysis coming up, which you all know that he has more power. Probably just take out the change the old market settings. You should be informed about that. But with that barely happened, which we all know about. Yeah. So moving on, guys, what you want to pay attention on right now is the highs and the lows. So I spotted my lows. On my next video, I'm going to be talking about how to spot out highs and lows in the market, spot out Asian highs, New York highs. So stay tuned, guys. You want to subscribe and of course turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch my next YouTube video. So now on the high here, the low here already marked out. So I already know that gold is going to be going bullish. So after I didn't know gold, I know gold is already bullish though. So this was my confirmation for me that gold was going to be bullish. So this was my confirmation before knowing gold was going to be. So after I waited, gold took out this high. Right. So if you're following my Telegram channel, you will notice that I talk about this trade exactly. That we're going to be patiently waiting for gold to take out this high. Gold did. You can see that, right? Came back down. A lot of people probably think that gold is going to be going bullish. No, not yet. So this is me, and this is the ultimate supply and demand you want to learn today. So whenever you are waiting for highs and lows, this is the lows you're marking out. You mark out this high as well, right? Now you want to watch out for gold to probably go bullish this way. Now walk here with me, guys. Walk here with me, guys. Walk here with me, guys. So after gold went this far, this was my expectation. I was expecting gold to come back to this level or this level. Yeah, there was a little liquidity down here, which gold came back to this low, right? Gold took out this liquidity, and now see what gold did. Gold went up, but this was my own waiting point for gold. I was waiting for gold to go this up, and I'm not just going to enter here yet. That's the killer. This is the lesson to this video. You're going to wait. Gold is probably going to take out this high the second time. So once gold has taken out this high, that is your confirmation. That is your confirmation for buys. This thing happens either ways. Either you're going for a bearish or you're going for a bullish. It happens either ways. So once gold has come back, this is you buying from gold from here. So with this, your risk is just less and your reward is massive. You see gold just pumping up or pumping down, whatever trend it is. So this is the real way you can catch gold. If not, this is what you're expecting up. If gold probably go up like this, come down, go up just the way it just came up right now, and come down, did not take out this high the second time, you should be expecting gold will be pumping down. It's going to be pumping down. So this is how gold came all the way down before what. So this is how you will expect gold coming down if you don't get that confirmation. So that way you know that the gold is not going to buy. So you probably just change your bias to sell. That's just a retracement, because we all know gold is bullish, right? These are what you need to understand when trading. So without wasting much of our time, I'll give you guys one last example. So this is just now you can see how I caught my buy, right? You can see how I caught the buy. Do not forget to drop question in the comment. If you have any question, drop the question. I will definitely reply your comment. Okay, so excuse me, after gold went this high, so this was me, I already saw gold take out this high already, so I was already sure that gold was going to buy. Although it didn't fully hit my TP, but it went well. If you're not that greedy, if you're not greedy, you should know when to close or set break even and take partial trade. We did make money. Everybody made money. That's the thing. So now, before fundamental analysis came up and did otherwise, so that's Forex for you. So moving on to my second example for this guy. Now you can see how good took out this high. The same thing always repeated itself. Like I said, mark out the high and the lows. Always mark out the highs and the lows, guys. This is the killer point. First killer point. Second killer point is watch out for the taking out the high. If you're looking out for sell, the same thing you should be looking out for. No differences, just the same thing. So opposite direction. So I have this my high here. I have this my highs here, and I have this low here. These are my Asia high and Asia low. So already I was already out for the lookout on either the highs or the lows on gold. So this is me. Like I said, it's very easy. You wait. Patient. Another thing I would like to talk about is you need to be patient. If you're not patient, you cannot trade gold. Not any other pair. You cannot trade the forex market. If you're not the patient type, you can't trade gold, guys. You need to be patient. That's another thing that will really help you. Learn to be patient when trading. Patience is a strategy on its own that will help you scale up very fast. Either you're having losses right now, be patient. Your time will come. You will see what you're looking for. Don't trade what you don't understand in the market. Don't trade what you need to understand it. I'm seeing this thing. Yeah, that is what makes you a forex trader. That's it, guys. Be patient, discipline. You will make it. You all make it. I'm in this space, and I'm telling you, it is happening already. So learn from these guys. Learn from this. So seeing this guy came all the way down, I was patient. Yeah. So price went up. Right, I haven't entered yet, so I was patiently waiting for price. So you see price start coming down. A lot of those African gold is going to go bullish. Probably want to take out the Asian low liquidity. Patience. Anything could happen, but then be patient. See your setup first. So this was me waiting for price to take out this high. Right, I was patiently waiting. You can check out the video on the screen right now. You can see when I talk about gold was going to reverse back. I told you guys to set a buy limit on this trade, right? It's on the Telegram channel. I dropped it there. See how I explained all the details about gold, buy limit, patient, and all of that. And yes, price came back and triggered. See, gold went this far, patient, remember, and came back to this area. And this is the BOS you need to learn. Go watch previous videos, learn BOS, breakout structure. So this is me waiting for price to come back here, and bingo, trade hits. I have a friend who got a profit account this week. With this setup, he got his account passed, and he has his live account. Easy. When you have good traders around you, you make money. Good informations, good analysis and all of that. It's easy for you to be making money. Everybody should just be cashing out. You don't need to be stressing yourself. Just sit and watch and learn. That's all it takes. Yeah. So this is the BOS you want to pay very good close to, right? This is the BOS, and that is the imbalance. Obviously, I've talked about imbalance. If you have not watched it, go watch imbalance. Previous video, I've talked about this. So I had this imbalance candle from here, and yeah. So this was us buying gold from this direction, and you can see the risk. The amazing part about it. The risk is the amazing part about it. We trade smart. We don't trade rough. We don't trade, we trade smart. We keep our discipline and all of that. With this, you can buy your dream car, buy your house. If you have the money to put in the market, you have good strategy that works like this, of course, bro, you're good to go, bro. You're gonna make so much money that I am making. If you have the capital, that's all it takes. Even with your small capital, you should be doing well. So guys, that'll be all for now, and I hope you learn from this video and become a better trader. Before I go, remember, always be informed. As a forex trader, you're learning every day. You don't stop learning. That's our real source of making money in the forex industry. Honestly speaking, you need to be learning every day. So learn every day, be informed, be in the family where you're being informed, and you'll see your life changing time to time. Alright? Do not forget, if you have any question, hit the comment, and of course subscribe, like, share to your loved ones that would like to learn strategy like this. Come on, do us a favor and share the video. Alright, so that'll be all for now, guys. Peace, and I'll see you in the next one.